one of my projects I was supposed to have been sharing in the fall. My fall family. This was the daughter, and this was the little son. And you already know there go the parents up there. So I'm glad I can just make this little short video and share with you guys what I did. And with y'all what I did or what I was trying to do for the fall decor. I was going to set these things on my coffee bar, but it didn't work out. But I can just share with you what I was trying to do. I crocheted some little baskets, little water vase, and the kids are busy down there doing little fall activities, collecting fall stuff, and that's about it. Just wanted to share what I didn't get done in the fall of 2020.